No, ya está, ya está. Eh, Good morning, everyone. I am Fabio Junior Arucuti Patencio, and I am here today to present my academic product number 3. For the conversation class, my topic focus on integrity in our professional field. The title of my presentation, uh, bueno, my presentation outline. Uh, to start, I will briefly outline what I will cover. I have organized my presentation into three main parts. First, I will analyze a specific case, the duplicate optimization report, to demonstrate plagiarism in an industrial engineering context. Second, I will explain why I believe collaborative principles are the key to professional integrity, even in solo work. My main message is that plagiarism is a critical operational risk, and I must adopt principles of teamwork to ensure my ethical success. Uh, the case, the duplicate automation report. Let's analyze the case I title the duplicate optimization report. The scenario is highly relevant do or file of a study, which involves reports like the uh, copy and paste context from an external source, especially the person copying a complete methodology for JIT use and time inventory. The violation was that the context was presented as original, and the external source was not cited or referenced. Mm, El siguiente es why plagiarism is a professional risk. That leads us to the critical questions. Why is plagiarism a professional risk? In engineering, a report is not merely theor- theoretical. Sí, theoretical. A ver, it is an action plan. I limited a plagiarism methodology, makes test propose solutions is universal and unreliable. The real danger is in the implementation. Implementing this flawed plan called led to significant operational failures, uh, costing a company time and money, uh, or integrity is directly linked to the operational success of a business. Ahí está. By committing to collaborative principles, the solutions to preventing plagiarism lies in embracing the principles of effective teamwork, which I must appeal to my own work. The first principle is structure work. I must divide large projects into their phases to reduce my stress and the temperament to take shortcuts. The second is source accountability. I must meticulous track and manage every external source I use, understanding that this is my personal system for integrity. Finally, even when working alone, I should practice peer review by asking a friend or mentor to review my final work to help me spot accidental citation errors. Mm. Professional integrity. I am somebody, I believe I have demonstrated that plagiarism is a professional liability. I will carry these principles forward. The skills my level in ethical communication and teamwork are fundamental professional success in industrial engineers with own trust, integrity, and verified work. Eh, Thank you. Bueno, eh, this concludes my analysis. I want to briefly I acknowledge that while this was assigned as a group presentation, I am submitting individually due to sevening and ongoing issues with my intended connection. I was unable to coordinate effectively with a team. I am fully aware that this is a collaborative task, and I take full responsibility, no, for presenting the work alone. Despite this, I have applied the principles al collaborative ethics to ensure the integrity of the report. Bueno, eso sería toda mi presentación. Muchas gracias. Next, next.